Yadi duram gata Krishno vana shobekshanayatam aham purvam iti samsprishya remire. Sometimes Krishna would go to a distant place to see the beauty of the forest. Then all the other boys would run after him, each one saying, I shall be the first to touch Krishna. Watch me run. I shall touch him first. Aham purvam. Right? Aham, I will be purva, prior, first. The beginning, I will be the first one. In this way, they enjoyed life by repeatedly touching Krishna. That definitely is a samsprishya remire. Remire means pleasure, like Raman, satisfaction, by touching Krishna. So then Vishwanath says basically the same thing. When Krishna wandered off to see the forest, the beauty in a distance, boys would run after him shouting, I will touch Krishna first. No, I will. No, I will. In this way, they played. So this is a fact, that one can enjoy life by touching Krishna. We have the idea, which is very deeply ingrained in our consciousness, that I can enjoy life by touching Maya, by embracing Maya. This is our idea, that this will give me happiness. But the Bhagavatam is telling something else. The associates of Krishna, devotees of Krishna, they enjoy life by touching Krishna. So how can we touch Krishna? Where is Krishna? Hey Radhe Vrajadevi Ke Chalalite Hey Nanda Suno Kuta Goshantavati Sarvaja Pure. There's Six Goswamis. Hey, where is Krishna? Is he in Govardhan? Is he on the banks of the Yamuna? Is he in Vamshivat? Is he in Barsana, Nandagan, Radhakund? Where is he? Hey Radhe Vrajadevi. Where is Radha? Where is the Vrajadevis? How can we touch him? You can't touch someone you can't see. Can you? You can't touch someone you can't feel. But we can touch Krishna. We can touch Krishna in his sound form. His form in sound. Nam Rup Avatar. Kali Kalera Dharma. In Kali Yuga, Krishna comes in Nam Rup Avatar. He descends in this age in the form, in the body of his holy name, Nam Rup. Krishna Nam Rupam. Nama Chintamani Krishnas. Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Vigraha means form. Archamurti. Deity. Deity. Idol. Murti. Vigraha. And it's Nama Chintamani Krishna's Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Chaitanya is alive. This Vigraha is living. This Nam Vigraha is alive. If Krishna is standing before you, he's very much Chaitana. Nityo Nityananam, Chaitanas Chaitananam. Nityo Nityananam, Chaitanas Chaitananam. Krishna is very much Chaitana. And he's very much alive. And the cowherd boys are touching this living transcendental personality, Krishna, and they're feeling very much happiness and satisfaction. So the name, the Nam Rup Avatar, the Rup of Krishna that's descended before us, to be touched by us, perceived by us, felt by us, is the name of Krishna, Nam Rup. And that, the Padma Purana is saying that form of Krishna is Chaitanya, alive, with rasa. Akila Rasa Mrita Murti. It's described, Krishna is described as Akila Rasa Mrita Murti, the very form of nectarine rasas. And that form is the name, Krishna Nam.